Hi guys, Shazad here. Today we'll be unboxing the Anatech compact keyboard. So this is a travel keyboard. If you love traveling and you are looking for options, there are quite a few options now. A lot of them are double folded, so they fold from two sides and then they become compact. Some like another one which is a good brand option, which is from Logitech K380. The only thing is like because this doesn't have like a front cover or in some instance, and if you're putting in travel bags or throwing around, it could damage the keys. But for normal home users or normal users, it is quite compact. It has the option to connect to three devices. You can switch between, so you can see like here, the power button is, and then you can put in the pair mode. Just hold the button which you want to pair the device to, and you can just switch easy. Just click one button, and that's about it. So, what is the option? So, like this one, I was looking around. This is a bit cheaper. You can get it between 20 to 24 pounds, or like 20, $25 ish. So let's just try to unbox it first. So, the other thing is because this one has a USB-C battery, so while the other one, the Logitech one, will need AAA batteries. So as you can see in the size itself, this is almost like when it's in travel mode, it's almost as half as is. Then at the back, it does have the support. If you open it, like opening is quite easy. You don't need to worry about it, and I kind of like it. It is plastic-ish. It looks like aluminum shell, but it's plastic. So this one. So it says the standby battery on this one is 100 days. You can the work time is between 15 days. You can charge charging is by USB-C, so and the time it takes between 2 to 3 hours depending on what kind of charger you have. The other thing about the battery, to save the battery, they have a timer, which is like if the device is on, the keyboard is on active for 10 minutes, it will go to auto sleep. Okay, so most of the functions you will do will be done by function key. So as you can see, it has the both option. You can connect it to the keyboard, to the Windows or Mac, so that's not an issue. It also connects with 3 devices as well. So this bar here, it shows you the charging status, the mode or which device it is connected to put into the pairing mode instead of using, because most of the keyboards they have 1, 2, 3. For the top button or some other buttons as for pairing. This has Q, W, and E. So you hold the function button and hold Q, that will go into device pairing mode for 1 and 2 and 3. Look at this stuff. So here's the power button. As you can see, the USB-C port. One thing which I can understand it is missing is the stand. I wish they had added a stand, but I can understand because the back has this moving rail thingy, so it would have been like a bit bigger, but it's not as bad. The size is almost, as you can see, it is almost same as the almost full K380 size. Well, obviously it's not a full keyboard, but I'm talking about like not compact K. So it is decent. The buttons are almost flushed-ish. So the button are a bit more raised on K380. So like obviously when you're typing, you will feel a bit more comfortable on that. The other thing is this one doesn't have a stand either, but because the way they have designed it on the edge, it has a bit of more thickness, so it is a bit raised. So you will find it a bit more comfortable while for long sessions. But this being travel, you won't use it that much. So yes, so I guess like it depends on your needs. So like normally, if you have like a small mouse, it will just gonna take this bit, and it's still like taking less area than like this keyboard itself. It is sturdy enough. I wouldn't say like it is just like you won't break it, but its shell is okay. Let's turn the device on. So yeah, okay, so we're gonna put it on. Okay, as you can see, the device is on. It's gone to pairing mode straight away. So we're gonna switch to function, and you can see See, as the blink light is switching, so it shows you like which device it is. So you gotta hold for a second. If you just hold it for like this, and it will go into the pairing mode as well, which is nice. Uh, so it doesn't have a lot of buttons. It doesn't have like a lot of things. So it is like a travel ready compact case, and when it's closed, the buttons are not touching each other. So that's kind of good. And I think it has a bit of magnet here. Yeah, it has a bit of magnet, as you can see here. Yeah, that's good. So it won't just like keep opening it itself unless there is some sort of force being applied. That is it. If you have any questions, do let me know. That's about it, guys. Take care, stay safe, and have fun.